Do this real quick. Properties. Oh, I think that I got the mic work. Okay. Okay, I'm using the computer's built-in mic instead of the one on my headset. But as I said, can't really focus. I've got. So, Monday I was coding. Did I remember saying that I fixed the problem I was having with the spikes? I fixed the. Anyway, before we get before I get too far into this, I just show you what this looks like now. I got some animation done. Look at our little friend here. Look at him. I might have more detailed sprites by the end of this, but yeah, look at that. Anyway, Invincible is still. Oh, there we go. I that it was pure luck that the timing on that. It's not pure luck. I mean, I selected it because I liked the timing on that, but you'll notice the exclamation points are different colors. They're actually different sprites. Whoop, that would have killed me right there. Now, there we go. Wonk, wonk, wonk. Yeah. You'll notice I have not actually put in collision with this thing. Also, the box around my character is part of the sprite, and that will be removed when the final version, or not even final version, later version. So, gonna mostly focus on the coding. Forgive me if I'm not as chatty as usual, because I got stuffs to do. Including, I got another sound effect for the victory to implement. I don't know if it'll fit the game genre when I'm, but doesn't matter. It's a placeholder. It's a copyright-free placeholder. It's really hard to find a short victory loop on Pixabay that's not AI. Yeah, the Invincible song actually goes on for quite a while. I just cut it off after 5 seconds when the invincibility wears off. But it's just a loop. So, node 2D, end area, end shape. Let's take a look here. Yeah, the level is a lot bigger now. Look at that. It's not, I don't think it's huge. I think I want to make it even bigger. But I wanted to make sure it was working first, and I still. Oh, hang on. Did I move end area and end shape so they're not on top of. Okay. Position 0, 0. Oh, that's spike. Transform, position. Yeah, position should be 0, 0. Okay. And end shape should be. What the heck? Should be here. Should be this. Should match. Oh, okay. Good. Glad I checked that now. Otherwise, I would have been going, why can I not grab? And yeah, that's just the flag from Find the Flag. Also a placeholder, obviously. But yeah, as you can see, since the other day, I have managed to get quite a bit done. just need... Where's collision area? Here we go. This is collision area. If collision area, play it. Hang on a second. End area. Okay. And not winning. It's, I know I'm in the middle of the... What are you doing? What's happening here? Why is the music playing? Oh. That's why, because the game's running in the background. Okay. That's the name of that animation. Let's see. Win. Yes. Default. Yeah. There's my little guy. He's still there. Of course he's still there. My little buddy. Win. Yeah. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Open a new window. Is that my downloads? Yes. You don't need to see my downloads. That's an extra. Delete. Yes. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to player, add child node, audio stream player 2D, lose. And that's where that sound I just downloaded is going to go. Upload, load, sounds. Is it? Let's see here. Yes, it was that one. I don't have that implemented yet. I just have it in the thing. I said I wasn't going to talk much, but you're all my rubber ducks. I'm going to talk my way through this whole thing. Yeah, I still the death thing is there, but I don't have it. I deliberately shut it off for the time being so I could test, mainly so I could test the running animation and the jumping animation. Yeah, I really like that. As you can probably tell from the art style, I didn't draw that. There we go. Okay. So it plays music when you hit the thing, but I still have to make it so it doesn't, so it pauses, so it effectively pauses when and that will be over here in player. Where is, what node is this? This is node 2D, so player, this thing here in player, physics. If, not, if get parent winning. Or get parent losing. Yeah. 144. I don't need. Wait. This. Save. Don't need that anymore. Oh, right. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, you know what? Let me do one more little thing here. Uh, I'm gonna not pin that one. I'm going to pin this one.
Said, down to the wire. I have only a few hours left to get this finished, and it's not anywhere near finished. Sorry if I'm less talkative than usual.
Turns out I'm not less talkative than usual. I am a blabbermouth. But the point is, what was I doing? Get parent losing. Okay, so that's up here. Let me declare that so it doesn't give me an error message. Wait. Crap. I always forget how to do the await command. That's what the internet is for. Await get tree. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. There it is. 5-second timeout. Just see what that looks like. Make sure it stops correctly. Uh, yeah, I'm going to save myself some time by not switching to the other window. And sorry, folks. Just gonna run to the right, run to the right. Don't worry, it doesn't it still looks exactly the same as it did last time. The question will be the sound effects. Okay, that's too long. I wait. That's fine. Really? Oh, no, that's because winning false. Okay. What is this? This isn't processed. That's no good. That is. It's gonna do something weird. Um. Hmm. Let me take a look here. I need it to do it only once, but if it's in process.
Who fire the bookkeeper? Said. Just FYI, you are super quiet.
Ah, well, oh, right, because I'm not using the correct microphone here. I couldn't get my mic. Wait, is my mic working? My mic's working. That's weird. Um. So, okay. What? I'm not sure why my mic's not working. In any event,
Who fired the
event
bookkeeper?
death.
There we go. Much
Huh,
better.
that's weird. I barely changed anything. Anyway, either way, it's fine. That's fine. Copy,
Who fired the bookkeeper?
paste.
Maybe you are just closer to the mic.
Maybe. That's possible. I did just adjust it there. Okay. Let's see if that. What happens if I do that? This one will be. I'm going to put this one up so we can all watch it. Okay, I need to make it so it's not blue. Oops, 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 oops. I see what I did there. It's fine. I made a mistake. I forgot to set losing to false. Since losing's not false, it won't ever move again. Let's do it again. Let's replay it again. Yeah, it's just like, okay. Okay. We got running, 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 running. Oh, that one's in the wrong spot too. That's why. This one is technically in the wrong spot. It was supposed to be on the top shelf here, but I liked it so much where it was, I'm leaving it one to the left. This did require moving all the others one to the left, one to the right, because they all fell on the floor. Okay, that almost works right. Clearly, there's a little issue back here. Do 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 do. Ah, let's do that. Let's set winning equal to false after the reset. like I did with losing. Okay, that should work. Yeah, this is going to be stage one, so it's going to be relatively simple. There's plenty of empty spaces to use as safe zones. Uh, hmm. Okay, not sure why it's doing that twice. I am having that problem with hitting everything. It hits it. It hits it twice. Huh. I do have two collision shapes on here. Maybe that's the problem? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this collision shape out of here, which may mess up other things, but if it does, at least I know what to fix. Okay, that messed up everything. And I know why. I know what it's doing. So yeah, I guess that collision shape was important for colliding with the ground. So yeah, let's put it back. We should be okay again. Um, we should be okay. That's or not. Wait, did I move the wrong collision shape? I only moved one collision shape. Why did both my collision shapes disappear? Okay, that's not good. Let's see here. No, no. Let's. Okay. Okay. I'm worried. I just mess everything up. Well, as the man said, no. No, I'm not messed up forever. Okay, so you know what? Just leave it. It's fine. Um, I don't understand why. Because it's okay. Don't know why it's doing it twice. Have the invincible music stop. Let's see if this works. It should. Copy. Because these both do exactly the same thing. There's no reason for two different functions to do exactly the same thing when that's the whole point of having another function. They can both call to do the same thing. This program's a mess. Anyway, no. To the right and run to the right. Do 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 do. Boopy 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 da na na na. That's timed really well. You're invincible for 5 seconds. Do wonk 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 wonk. I don't know why it's doing it twice. Also, yeah, you still turn blue when you hit the. And I'm not sure I like that, but I don't dislike it. Oh, right, I do have a death thing in. Yeah, that's. I still have death in here. So it means I actually have to do the stage if I want to test the winning animation, which is a little annoying. I have to do this properly. Gotten pretty good at it by now. I mean, it's not the most complex stage. As I've been muttering to myself here, I am not a great level designer. But I think I've, well, hmm, I don't like that. Okay. Mm, this is not something in my code. This is something in the physics. Huh. Interesting. Right. Up to right twice and left twice. Let's see if I do 4 extra no's here. Uh, interesting. I'm pretty sure this is related to. Oh, okay, shut up. Um, okay, that guy needs to shut up. Uh, hold on. Ooh, hey, this is going to be fun. Inspired and not posted. Let me take a moment to be distracted because I need to think. Ban people for posting bad words to chat, and by bad words I mean advertisements. Ha ha ha. So yeah, I think my problem with this hitting twice, because that was one of the problems I was having on Monday. The reason I got so distracted, I didn't stream on Monday. You didn't miss a stream on Monday. I didn't stream on Monday. I was so involved. Because yeah, I was having this problem on Monday, where touching the power up moved it 2 spaces instead of one. It was counting, touching the power up counted as touching it twice. And I wasn't sure why. I couldn't figure out why. I never figured out why. Honestly, I didn't actually figure out why it was doing that, and I just instead doubled the values in my location string. Like here, stop. Each collision is counting twice. Yeah, stopgap measure until I figure out why each collision is hitting twice. So I did the same with the toy. In the final game, they're going to be toys. This is going to be the game is tentatively titled "The Floor is Lava." The ground will not be bricks and spikes, but will be a kid running around his living room. So the music is not really appropriate either, but so it'll be things like couches and nightstands and or not nightstands. Obviously, the tables you'd find in a in your traditional living room. I don't know why the couch has spikes on it, but I'll figure that out. That's the couch is on. It has a rug on the back. There we go. It's got a rug on the back. A rug on the back that matches. Like a towel on the back that matches the color of the rug. That's why. So if you that counts as lava. So yeah, I use the name Star, but they're going to be like random toys, and there's 4 different toys. And right now they're all the same sprite in different colors, but I wanted to make sure that's working. And I'm sitting here thinking because I think the problem must be over here. Oop, oop, hang on. Ooh, ooh, okay, okay, hang on. Okay, okay. Save images. I just got updated sprites. Drop that right in my invincible art folder. And save image as unnamed. Wait, no, just save it as no. Save as save image as I don't know why it's saving as unnamed. Download. Downloads. Okay, there we go. It's player color one no guides, player color one V guides. There we go. Downloads. Full art. What are you doing? Don't double click. Okay. Yes, I've got some. Let's try it. Let's try this. Player. We got Running Man. We got sprite frames. Sprite frames. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna. Okay. I am speaking with my graphic designer as we speak. Actually, I didn't want to do that. Let's change all those back. Let's see here. Copy paste. No. What are you doing? Running Man. copy. Okay, jump up, copy, lose, copy, running, copy, standing, copy, or duplicate, win, copy. There we go. So I've got to do this with no guides. Oh, great. Horizontal 12. Yes. Vertical 1. Perfect. This is jump down. Add 1 frames. Delete this frame. Jump up. Delete this frame. Ooh, okay. Layer color. Jump up is here. Lose. Delete. Yeah, this is not a finished, exactly a finished sprite either, but we'll see what we can get. Still has no hair, still has no face, but it's fine. Jump up, jump down. Okay. Running. Okay, I want running. We get rid of all these. And we get running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add 6 frames. Yes. Yes, they match the old frames. Standing. What am I doing? Standing. Player color. And win. Delete. Win. Plus. Player color. Win. Okay. Now that that's all saved, let's take a look at what we got. Let's see what this looks like with the flashing. Okay, I'm gonna make him not blue, but that's okay. Mm, yeah, there's some slight overlap in the running frames, as you can see there. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the blue, but well, okay, I'm gonna close that because that's not supposed to be happening. It's fine. Let me report the slight error to my graphic designer. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I need to. Let me take a look at my sprites before I might not have imported them correctly, but I think I did. I thought I did. Sprite frames. Let's see here. Running is the actually running one has the same. Yeah, running one has the same problem. Things go slightly outside the box. I didn't notice it before because of the box. If I can edit these. Yeah, there's some. They don't quite fit. Let me see if I can re-import these. Because yeah, there's some slight overlap. Let's see if I make it 13. What happens? Oh no, it's not. Hmm, hold on. I'm going to report this to my graphic designer. Let's see if she can do something with this. But it's okay as is. Huh. Okay, anyway, yeah, I'm sorry talking to my, as you can maybe hear from the Gedinks. I'm not sure if I'm playing anything here, if I have the sound effects of the computer turned up. Oh, I do. I do. Uh, Maybe I do. I don't know. It's fine. Whatever. I want to. Oh, where am I? Notice this. Yeah, let me see. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to. How do I? Can I split these? I'm not sure if I can pull these frames out of here. See what happens. No, it pulls out the whole frame. Um, hmm. No, it didn't just pull out the whole frame. It was the copy and paste I sent to my graphic designer. It's the print screen I sent to my graphic designer. We're selected. I can't seem to pull. Oh, I hope I didn't mess anything up just now. I did. Okay, standing, win. Huh. Find death. Is here? That is death here? Ah, okay. That's good. Don't want. Don't want them to turn blue. I'm gonna leave that other one that makes him turn blue. Wait, is that right? Death should be two matches. That one. Actually, where's the other one? Where's the other death? Oh, death. 72 and 106. If C get angle equals 0, okay. So these are exactly the same command. Not is on floor. Okay. It's on floor. Okay. Let me, okay. Okay. Okay, good. He doesn't turn blue anymore. That's what I wanted to check. Yeah, it's hitting. Oh, I've got so many things to work to change here and to fix. That doesn't look like it. Oh, no, sorry, I'm answering I'm answering out loud for no reason. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna. Meanwhile, I have a major error to fix. Mm, anyway, I don't think I need this. This seems to be. I don't think it's calling this. Being the womp womp pigeon. Do do. Anyway, it's if not Running Man invincible. Modulate color. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't really need this anymore since I'm not messing with his color. This doesn't do anything right now, so I'm going to. It's not resetting properly. Wait. Wait. Hold on, hold on. Ah, there's a problem with this. 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 Okay. What is this? May do it. That's why it's doing it multiple times. It's this for eye in range. It's hitting. It's counting as multiple collisions. I think. I think. Um, so let's just do a quick little, not even. That's not the reason. That is. Also, this is a little kid, so. Okay, I like that even better. That's hilarious. Saving that. But anyway, the point is, you shouldn't be doing it over and over. He's doing it over and over. And I don't know why. I can't figure out why. Must think he's still standing on a spike. So, um, where are we? Parent losing. Okay. If not, running man invincible, not get parent losing. Okay. Like, it shouldn't be hitting this anyway if get parent is losing. That just should just return, right? Put that there. Just make sure that it's there. That's it. That hypothetically, that's redundant, but clearly something is weird. Yeah, it's weird that hitting the spikes there doesn't. It's fine. Right, you can't actually see what I'm looking at, but print debug I. Uh, okay. Not checking the floor properly, which makes sense because I haven't moved. So it only checks it when I move. So it thinks. Okay, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Um, hang on, hang on, hang on. Get parent and not get parent winning and not. So it's gonna be a little uglier than I would have liked. If get parent winning or get parent losing, losing. Okay, okay, shut up. Get parent losing direction equals 0. Okay. So let's see. That may not, but no, no, no. That's what I want because it'll still hit the move and slide. So let's see if that does it. No, it didn't. It just messed up the animation. Hmm. Oh. That. So let's do it. Let's put back the way it was. Get parent winning or get parent losing return. Yes. Just make sure I didn't. I just fixed the animation. Yes. Oh, that one's amusing. Not AI, right? No, it's not. Okay.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No!
No.
Nope, 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 nope.
No.
Oh no. Why?
Oh God. Um.
No.
That
No.
one's funny.
No. No.
Oh, oh, oh man, that's
What are you talking about? Oh no. No!
ow. No.
That's no surprise at all.
Lion roaring sound effect, no copyright. That's not. Oh, wow, that's certainly a sound.
No.
Okay, yeah. Oh God. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. I'm the one who hit play, and it still scared the crap out of me. Oh. Okay, I'm getting new sprites. New sprites are happening. Let's take a look. Okay, player color V2. Let me drop that in the invincible art folder, and we're gonna pull that out. And we're gonna do the running man, these 6 sprites. Bye bye. Actually, no. Let's duplicate it. Yeah, there's running 2, there's running 1, there's running. Now let's delete that. Let's delete that, and let's import player color V2. Okay. 13. Um, hmm. 14. 8. 16. No. 17? 18? Hang on a second. 10. 11? 12? 11. Oh, no, there's definitely. Uh, Let me do an import of 1 again and see if I can mess with that. So it's 12. Let's check. I might be able to do it with the offset. I'm not sure you can see what I'm working with here, but 12, 11. No, it's just I'm gonna show this to my. It's just gonna take a screenshot of that, and just report the. Taking pictures. Sorry I'm working on talking to people about my graphics. Yeah, so show her how it's breaking it up, which is a little off. Um, which is there we go. As you can see, that fourth frame is a little out of the frame. And that's the so that with that information, they should be able to fix it pretty well. I would not be working with this person if they weren't a good artist. They just didn't have enough time due to their actual job. Anyway, I am concerned about this infinite loop. Does this even do anything yet? Floor layer. I don't even use this function. Let me dummy that out and shrink it down. Function animation. I'm really proud of my running animation here, but oh right. I messed the game up just now, didn't I? Oh no, okay, it's fine. I mean, it's not fine, but yeah, I like this one. This I'm not sure this music is right for this game, but as a test, I like it because it definitely lets you know when it's about to wear off. Quite nice. Do 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 do. And then it does it twice. don't know why it does it twice. I don't know why it does it twice. This is annoying. Don't know. Is it because I have two collision-shaped 2Ds? Maybe? One collision-shaped 2D seems to determine the... wait a minute. Let me just check some things here. Dang it. Player area. Collision? Okay, that's one. Have collision with the power-up or the... hang on a second. Let me make sure I have the end set correctly. The end area. Collision should be 4. I wonder if that's part of the problem. And shape. Take a quick look while I... Okay, that's funny. Let's try not to die. Uh, okay. Okay. Now it's not connecting at all. Okay. Now it's not colliding at all. Player, layers. There we go. I forgot to set collision layer 4. That's, and whatever. Player area should be collision layer. Should have collision layer 3 and 4 as well. Maybe. I think that's right. Okay, let me download it again. See how that looks. Player through clear. Running man, running, and the running man runs. Do 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 do. And the running man runs. Do do. See, there's a song called the Walking Man, and it's about how the walking man walks. And anyway, oh, that looks good. Huh. Still a little outside the lines. Teensy bit outside the lines. It has a big fist. She's gonna beat the crap out of that kid. That poor kid. Meanwhile, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong here. Get parent losing. Debug. Losing. More concerned about the losing problem than the winning problem. Okay. Okay, so it is properly setting losing to false. Good. Good. But first, and the running man runs. Do, 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 do. And the running man runs. I'm gonna grab him once more. And the running man runs. Do, do, boo, boo, boo. I have that song stuck in my head. That's not even what it's called. James Taylor? Walking Man. That's it. Walking Man by James Taylor. So you see Walking Man, Running Man. Ha ha. Ha ha ha. I'm hilarious. Anyway, running. I'm gonna pull up select frames. Oh, right. Player color 4. I think this is gonna do it. I think this one's gonna do it now. So we just need to select the actual running frames, which are these 6. Take a look at them in the yes. There's no overlap. I believe that did it. Oop. Print screen. Hang on a second. Screen. Yes. Did it, I think. Exclamation point. Upload that image I just took so she can take a look at it. I did pick the right 6 frames. I did. I am going to quickly. It's difficult to actually record this. By the way, am I on YouTube? I am on YouTube. Good, it's working. I'm glad it's working. Forgot to check that, but when I started, but okay. Okay, the problem's not here. The problem is I am certain in this script. It is not. Can I rename that? Will that work? Maybe not. I might be, wait. Wait. It's a bit brute force of it, but. Wait. I think that did it. Okay. Okay. That was a bit brute forcey of it, but. Oh, that was stupid. Okay. Okay. But the fact that I only died once... Okay. 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 Okay, it's all good. Hello, Ilphilly. I see who they are. Although speech chat did not say anything because it's stupid. Anyway, I am currently just programming my little bitty heart out, and I'm trying to figure out it's here somewhere. The problem is here. The problem is here. It is absolutely here. I wonder if the problem can be fixed. Hmm. Oh, oh. Is the problem here? Am I in it? Does move and slide check? Hang on, hang on. Is move and slide also checking for collision? Is that the problem? I wonder if I unmove and slide. Just out of curiosity. Just remove that entirely. Probably won't move at all then. Yeah, it won't move at all. Okay. I print move and slide. Will it still move? It will. And it prints true and false. Okay. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. For our new viewers, just to show you where I am in this, and because I want to run through it once more and take a look. Take a look at what's going on here. Invincible. It's coming along. It is coming along. Unfortunately, I only have an hour and a half left to get this thing in. Oh, no! Oops. But it is coming along. Unfortunately, it's probably not going to get any better than this graphically. I may remove those spikes. I think it's looking pretty good. I'm going to sign off early. Not right now. I just let you know. Just letting everyone know. I'm going to sign off a little early, like at 5:30ish instead of 6, because this has to be in by 6. And one of the things I have to do is make a movie of the game being played. Right, and that was the problem. I did something that messed up my collision with that flag. Okay. 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 Man, 25 stream streak. That's pretty good, is what that is. Like that's a bit brute force of a solution, but anyway, I want the player to have collision layer 1, 2, 3, 4. Note, is it? Is the problem here? Okay, note 2. Also, let me note 2D. Where's death? Yes, that's fine. Okay. I'm gonna take a quick look here. Oh, right. Right. I need to check something actually. I need to make sure it does not. Oh, there it is. Where's the thing that says losing equals the true over here? Yes. Okay. To remove that. Okay. Now node 2D return. There. So I don't. Okay. I need to erase that move and slide. I'm just ignoring. It's okay. I'm Superman. I can run on spikes. Superman. I can run on spikes. I don't understand why this was working and now it's not. What did I mess up? And hang on. I think there's still. Weird. I don't see it in the frames. Anyway, but anyway, what I'm doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? If collision area, end player, end area. Okay. And not winning. Winning equals true. Winning equals false. Set player. That in there. I don't want to mess with that. In fact, let's do it twice. I'm gonna overdo it. Anyway, what was I doing? I forgot what I was doing. Right, I was trying to figure out why. Problem is, right now it's not the double collision. The problem is now there is no collision between player area and the. All right, I have a print statement down there I want to get rid of. I don't remember. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it some fun. There we go. Okay. Now, is it going to do it twice? That's the question. It did it twice. Okay. What am I printing here? I should have made that a print debug so I know what I was looking. Oh no, I remember what it is. It's over here. It's this print move and slide. Doesn't need to print move and slide. Not sure why it is. Why it is doing that. Way up here? Clearly, it's hitting it twice, and I'm not sure why. Let's check collision shape 2D here. This... Is it because I have two collision shapes? I suspect that may be it. This one doesn't have an area. It's defined by player. Ooh, okay. How about let's turn off collision layer 3 and 4 for the player, but turn on collision layer 3 and 4 for player area so they don't overlap. Will that do it? No, it will not. That's weird, because player area is what it checks, right? Wait, am I looking at the right thing? This is player. Okay. Player. Didn't work. Definitely should not be. Okay, I did it wrong again. Okay. We don't need to be, yeah. It's not really done. It's colliding twice and it has nothing to do with my collision shapes. Just show okay, that's fine. What am I? Oh, okay, right. I moved it down slightly because it's centered. Oh, right. I can click on that on the side. Oh, whoops, I accidentally opened the calculator program. I accidentally opened it multiple times. Come on, close. 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 Oh dear, I have messed something up here. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Okay. How have I had this computer for 6 months or so? When did I get it? I got it in December, so January, February, March. January, February, March, April. So it's been four months, and I just now learned there is a calculator button that brings up the calculator. I don't need to keep it on my don't need it on my taskbar. Bye bye calculator from taskbar. Okay. Just just one of those days, really. Can I unpin this from taskbar? I can. Let me unpin Dell from taskbar. I don't need that there. Oh, oh, good. I do have cola. Coca-Cola. Had some lunch already, so I mean, well, getting close to dinner time even, but I think it's Wednesday, right? I don't remember what day it is. Now I'm going to get a little quieter so you don't hear me crunching into the microphone. Here we go, disappearing. Woo! Okay. Take a moment here. Mm. Mm. 2D. I want to move the camera slightly. It's a little low. Camera 2D. Yeah, okay. Ah, that's what I want. Put it. Okay. 0 minus 80. Let's see what that looks like. Let's be nice. Okay. Okay. That's better. Yeah, make sure that was good. Let's go back and we put the death animation back in. There we go. Yeah, but the problem is not here. The problem is here. The problem is this. Let's do a collision area. Good go. Wait, is that an actual? Right, right. Collision area is not a command. Over collision area is a function I defined. I need overlaps area. So area 2D. Mm, okay, I see the issue. Maybe. With the overlaps area command itself. Hang on. Okay, I forgot to put that back on. It's fine. I can do this level. Womp, womp, womp. Womp, womp, womp. Dink, dink, dink. Hmm. 1, 2, and damn. Mm. 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 Yes. I forgot the colon. And up here. Oh, actually, again, let me do one more thing. There we go. Put that return back in. Is the game? How's the game looking? There we go. I moved the camera a little bit. I shut off the death animation here so I could just run to the end without. Hmm. I see some stray pixels in there, which is weird because I don't see any stray pixels in the. Uh, okay, even weirder. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Running man. And the running man runs. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, yeah, those are not the stray pixels. Let's delete that one entirely and see if there's an error message. Delete animation. Yes. Running. I mean, it's literally the same sprite both ways. It's just reflected. It's not even like a different. It's not even like a different sprite based on the same. Where I reflected the image and then imported it. No, it's the same sprite. I just flipped it in software. scale.x equals -1. Weird. Where's the one I want to edit slightly? I think it's the next one. No, this one's fine. I like this one. This one. I want to get rid of. I'll try to turn off death. Yeah, it's just a stray pixel there. Is N's current location. Let me hit transform. Okay. It's 11263, comma 256. That's a different game. Okay. And what I did there was I moved the flag. So it should be like right over here. Yeah. It's, so I can snag it without having to run through the whole level. I'm not sure why it does it twice. And you'll notice from the way the power-up falls that it's resetting the power-up twice, too. Because the power-up starts slightly above the ledge. Oh, right. Speaking of the ledge, bugging me. I removed one brick from brick. See, it looked like that, and now it looks like this. Uh, Try some brute force crap here. No 2D, it is. Okay. And plus equals 10,000. Minus equals 10,000. Oh no, plus, no, equals 0 is fine. It's kind of a brute force in that way, but let's see if it works. Yep, brute force works. Sometimes it just takes some brute force to just hit it with a truck. Okay, so let me put it back where it belongs. Put it back where it belongs. Reset. Put death back. There we go. Remove that return, or I'll comment out that return. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it wasn't updating. Apparently, the order of updating is not. It was still checking for collisions during my winning animation, so it triggered another another collision before before the update before the update to the collision checking happened. Ah. Sometimes brute force coding works. The stage is shorter than I like, but do you have? Why am I asking this on the? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Talking to my graphic designer because I'm okay. Invincible. I won't give in, I won't give in till I am rinsable. Wait. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to export this as a runnable web project and update it and send it to my do 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 do. I won't give in, I won't give in till I am rinsable. I am rinsy, rinsity, bensible. Export. Yeah, that's the one. Honestly, honestly, um, it's not done. The program's not done. The, the, the game is not done, but, oh, let me check something in the game. Okay, that's important. No, there's no generative AI in this. That's crap. Platformer. Okay. Okay. Sorry for silence. I'm writing. There was no description. 11:52 by 6:48. That's good to know. I need that information. 11:52 by 6:48. I want the viewport to be the same size. Mobile friendly. Landscape. Um, anyway. Upload file. I won't give in. I won't give in. Yeah, I've had this song stuck in my head. Hopefully, full version 2.zip. Let's see if it detects this properly. Because yeah, the program I just called it. This file will be played in the browser. Save, view page. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Take a look at it. You won't see anything because I'm looking at it in the browser. Oh, that's nice. That's weirdly off center. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. You know what? There we go. And die. Oh, good. I did export one with a with the death enabled. It really doesn't feel anywhere near done. It's not ready to submit, but I have 40 minutes to submit it. Not even 40 minutes. It closes in 40 minutes. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it here. It's a little early, but I've got some video making to do, and I can't do that on the stream since my streaming program and my video making program are the same program, and I don't want to have Great Uncle Pixel's face in the middle of my video. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being around. And I will see everyone on Friday when I will be getting back to Space Deflators. Oh, hang on. We got another. It's fine. It's whatever. It's what.
Thanks for the content.
Oh, I see what's going on here. I'm smart.
Admiral Cage said, I've been lurking, busy with work today. Sorry for lack of conversation.
That's okay. I have been extremely distracted myself, and oh, I thought I had a pinned message saying that, but it must have removed itself and stuff. And did I see first time? Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry for all my first time listeners who caught me today, because today I was very, very focused. So, anyway, good night, and I'm gonna just pick someone random to raid that, and then I'm going to probably not pay attention to that raid uh, because I have stuffs to do. Good night, everyone. I will see you on Friday, and when I will be much, much less distracted.